Did you know that 70% of marketers use artificial intelligence to streamline their content creation process, saving an average of 3 hours per day? However, many are still stuck using outdated methods, losing valuable time and potential. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to harness the power of AI to edit, write, and design content 5x faster. Content creation has evolved, and AI tools have become the key to unlocking productivity. With the rise of AI-generated content, creators can focus on high-level strategy and vision, while AI handles the grunt work. In this tutorial, we'll explore the best AI tools for content creators, covering editing, writing, and design. First, let's dive into editing. AI-powered video editors have revolutionized the post-production process. One popular tool is Lumen 5, an AI-driven video editor that can create stunning videos in minutes. With Lumen 5, you can upload a script